And another military helmet that's not so good because you have
There's 4 left.
4 left. I thought you killed one. Oh,
I did, but there's 4. Someone else killed someone.
So there's 3.
So there's 3 left. You're right. You're right.
And they might be on the squad.
Okay, we're not gonna be able to make this. Let's just go here.
So plus 2, there's 5. I think I see
4.
him.
Actually, there's still 4.
I see him.
There's still 4 because plus you.
We gotta see where the new circle is gonna be.
But what?
Farther.
All right, in the middle.
Who's right in the middle?
Oh, he's right there.
No, he is. Oh, wait.
Oh, 3 left. 1 guy right there. He's right there.
Oh, you shot him. If he shoots you in a headshot, that'll protect your face if he shoots you in the face.
You know what's gonna protect him? What? The love of him?
Let's blow him up.
The smoke bomb?
He's throwing everything to try to blow him up. I blow him everywhere.
But I see the whole thing around you. We're gonna finish this battle.
Oh, you shot him. You all tried to shot him. Oh, you shot him. Oh, I saw one. Oh, this is a group. That if you kill
How many more people?
If you kill all the people, we'll win this battle.
I don't see him. He's shooting though.
Shooting, but with smoke grenades are running out.
I was trying to control you. This field is blocking your way.
Shh. Oh, he's right there.
How many people left?
I won! Yes! Yes, guys!
And you have 4 kills?
Oh.
4 kills? You won.